Well, hello everybody. Good afternoon. Thank you to joining us on Home Gardening 480. Today we are going to uh, do something different. We saw that a lot of our tomatoes died. We had a failure. We attribute it to a couple of things. So one thing that we're going to do is that we're going to use this larger, taller cup, so we don't have to transplant the tomatoes from those plugs into that. We're going to do them strictly into that, but we have to drill some holes at the bottom of it so that we have some, the water doesn't sit there. And I'm going to use the drill, the size drill bit, to do some holes at the bottom. So I'm going to go ahead and turn it over to you, Sonia, and see you can explain what you're going to do here.
Okay, so we were gonna use these smaller cups. These small ones are 5 ounces, but we did a comparison and they're almost the same size. So we anticipate that we're gonna need to raise the tomatoes indoors for a bit longer. So we went and got some bigger cups. These are 9 ounces, and we're gonna start them in these. We're gonna fill these up almost near to the top with starting mix and start the tomatoes in these. We also got a grow light because in the mornings when we're trying to leave for work and put the plants out, it's too cold still.
So
when it's under 40 degrees, the plants hate it.
So we're gonna show you where we put this grow light.
Okay, so we're in our laundry room. We had figured out
Our fridge.
A spot that is cooler, but still indoors and plenty warm to put this. This is a 4-foot grow light. We got it from Home Depot. I think it was $69.
Yes. So what I ended up doing is that I ended up lowering this shelf down to 18 inches so that we have that height that we need. So we decided to use this method. We're going to save a couple of them, maybe 2 or 3.
3 of these 3. Maybe this one, that one looks too damaged. So then we're gonna start over in the bigger cups so that we can keep them in under the grow lights when it's cold in the morning. We're gonna drill some holes in these cups. Hopefully it works out and we are able to get this going.
Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and get myself drilling.
Okay, there we go. No, I think that's fine.
Okay. So that'll be it. And I'm gonna do another one. And so
let me see. Okay. All right.
Is that better? Okay, so now we are able to put 18 of these cups in this little cookie tray. Yep. And what she's going to do is that she's going to write a label on them, the name of these tomatoes that we're going to start. And that's what she's going to do.
We had already transplanted a couple of leftover super sweets that we brought from the other tray. So we've got 3 of those already. So we're not going to actually plant the super sweet today, but we want to lay it out for you. We're going to plant some more Better Boy. This one is called Delicious. This one is Aroma. This is called Rutgers. And then I bought a yellow pair when I was at the store. They weren't there the other time when we went to buy seeds, so they restocked and they had them in. So, and then once I do that, I'm going to label the cups with a marker.
And so we're going to put 2 seeds per cup.
That's right.
All right.
Got lots of room here.
Yep, so this is where we're gonna start them now.
So maybe we'll do some more and we'll see how these come out, but those are our tomatoes.
Okay, so I guess that's it for today. We thank you guys for joining us and be part of this video, and also we'll keep you updated on the growth of these tomatoes with our grow lights inside. So that should be interesting. Hopefully they don't suffer some of the things that we have endured and have seen on these videos, previous videos that we have shown you guys. So thank you guys, and we'll see you on our next video.